Driving down Alberta Drive in northwest Clarksville here, you think that everything was normal, but as you keep going down the road, you'll see all of this flooding. And neighbors tell me it's not because of any creeks, but all because of rainwater. And they say they use kayaks not for recreation, but to check on their neighbors and to get to homes in the area. Roy Hill told me he's lived in the Alberta Basin area for 33 years.
Water got up into the house, into the garage, and they had to tear everything out.
Hill says he's one of the lucky ones. He lives on a hill, but many of his neighbors are not so fortunate.
They haven't lived there since the last flood, and at least over a month, and they lost everything.
Homes along Alberta and Freestone Drives are seeing serious flooding from last week's storms, but it's not just here. On Dunlop Lane in northeast Clarksville, there's still cars underwater.
It's receded, but it was again up over the porch. And in the garage, there's probably 3 or 4 feet of water in the garage.
The floodwaters destroyed belongings. Its effects are destroying lives.
Most of them do not have flood insurance, so their homes are gutted right now.
The city says United Way is taking the lead on helping find displaced people shelter and financial assistance.
Our city leadership has reached out seeking assistance from the state and federal level.
But the city of Clarksville hasn't gotten a dime yet. Meanwhile, everyone's just doing what they can. They have no choice. Neighbors say that they hope the city cleans out the drains here and works on a better irrigation system because every time there's a heavy rain, this happens. Reporting live in Clarksville, Hope Salmon, Fox 17 News, your Code Red station.